Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about strings in Python. Let's get into it. We'll define a variable named as creator equals to Samrat Neopane. This will be like if you want to keep your text defined in Python, you need to use strings. You can use string, you can define string like within double quotes or also you can do this like this: creator equals to a single quote Samrat Neopane. You can do like this. You can also define a longer string, a more letter string with triple quotation mark like this, ended within this. Inside this, anything you write is also a string. Like if you want to comment on this video, you'll be using this triple string. Like, you have been providing great content. I appreciate it. If you appreciate it, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so that this video will be pushed towards many people as possible. Now this is how we define strings. Now we'll be looking at something called string slicing. Firstly, we'll look at creator equals to Samrat Neopane, and then how we can access some values or fixed values in this string. We'll learn a little about some built-in functions which we can use with strings or anything else. Firstly, we'll have a look at len function. Len function is what we call length function. It will determine what the length of your string is. Let's try this out. Len creator, and then let's print this out. Let's print this with, let's save this and then run with our run code extension. Let's again run this. It is 14. Let's count our length, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and space is also counted, so it's 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So it gives the length of our string. Now the next thing is string slicing, or you can say it as slicing the cakes. It is similar to slicing the cake. We slice some part of it and make a use of it. You can do this by, if you want to access the first letter, let's print the first letter of here. We can print this by accessing with the index value of 0. What does index value is? Let's first discuss on that before going to it. Index value starts with 0 to however long it is. That is, if the length is 14, it will end up with 13. That is, the index value 0 is as, index value 1 is A, index value 2 is M, whereas index value of 13 is the last letter, that is E. Now let's run this and see how it works. It gives us the as here. Now if you want to access a specific part of the string, we can use this like slicing with starting value and then colon, and then you'll go towards which value you want to go. Like if you want to access this Samrat, you have to go a long way to 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 5. This is, if you want to access up to 5, you need to go up to 6. that is, it's exclusive. Now let's run this and see what we get. We get the output as Samrat. Now if you want to access the whole string, you need to give this like this. This is equal to, this is exactly equal to what we write as creator. So now we can do something else with this. We can also step forward or skip some characters between the strings, slicing it. For that, you need to use something called again colon. Here you need to write start value. Here you need to write stopping value, and here what you need to write is step value. This is how it works. Now let's deal with it and get used to it. We'll start with 0 and we'll go all the way through 13. We'll step the value with 2 in the first place. Let's run this and see what we get. We get SMA space EPN. This is how it works. It goes a long way to S and then skips a letter because we are stepping the 2 step ahead. It goes a long way to M and then A, then space, then E, P, N, and then it ends up to there. Now you can see how it escapes. The default value of step is 1, whereas the default value of start is 0, and the default value of end value or stop value is the length minus 1, or you can go like it is not length minus 1, it's length of creator itself. So this is how we work with string slicing. Now there is a easy way to string reverse. You can use this like creator and then give 2 semicolon or 2 colon and then use it as -1. This will step every string as a -1 and then it gets reverse. You can see it is the reverse form of your string. Now the most interesting part here is you can access the index value with negative number. If you enter -1 and then save this program and run here, you'll get E here, which is the last value, last index of this string. Okay, this is all about string slicing and a basic introduction of what you can do with string and index value within a string. See you in the next video and we'll be dealing about more string methods and string data type.